Hello everyone, today I created this Excel sheet to teach you how to calculate percentages here in Excel. First, for this I wrote 3 examples. The first one is, if there were 2,000 spectators and the stadium capacity is 24,000, what percent of the seats were occupied? So basically what I'm going to do right now is to divide the spectators with the capacity, right? So I'm going to put this sign right here. I'm going to click on the spectators cell. Now I'm going to put the divide sign and I'm going to divide it by the capacity, right? I'm going to press enter, and now as you can see, it shows me that the seats that were occupied are the 50%, right? If you can see the percentage, what you have to do is to press this button. The same with the second example, 50% of the seats were occupied and the stadium's capacity is 24,000. How many people were in the stadium, right? So now what I'm going to do is to multiply the capacity for the seats that were occupied, right? So basically I'm going to the people's column, I'm going to do the same process, but now I'm going to press on the multiplier and I'm going to multiply by the seats, right? So as you can see, if I press enter, it is going to show me that there were 12,000 spectators at the stadium, right? So now we're going to proceed with the last example. It says 50% of the seats were occupied and there were 12,000 people. How big is the stadium, right? So now I'm going to do basically the same. I'm going to divide the people with the seats and it is going to show me the real capacity of the stadium. So I'm going to do the same process, right? I'm going to press on the people's cell. Now I'm going to put the divide button and now I'm going to divide this. As you can see, it shows me the real capacity of the stadium. So basically, this is how you can calculate percentages in Excel. If you have any question or any suggestion, please leave it in the comments below. We hope this tutorial has helped you. If you want to see more videos like this one, we invite you to subscribe to our channel.